here we are on page 2 of lesson 3 problem set for module 7. Earlier on the first page, we did a bar graph that was a horizontal bar graph. The next one we are going to be doing is going to be a vertical bar graph. So I already put the title in, and I put our different habitats in here just to make it easier and go a little bit quicker on the time. So number 2 says, complete the bar graph below using data provided in the table. So the first thing I'm going to do is fill out how many desert animals I have. This time it's giving me it in a tally chart. So for desert, I've got 6. So I am going to start my bar graph here at 0 until I get up to 6. And then I will stop right there. Arctic, we have 5. So again, I'll start at 0 and go up until we get to 5. And grassland, we've got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I will start at 0, move my bar up until I get to the very top here, because this is going to be 14. And so that's what your bar graph should look like. So now number 1, or letter A, says how many more animal habitats are the grassland and Arctic combined in the desert? So if we were looking at the Arctic and the grassland, we're going to add these two together. So this is going to be 14 plus 5. And that we know that 15 plus 5 would give us 20, so 1 less would be 19. And then we are figuring out that total 19 minus the difference of the desert. So we're going to then take that answer and we're going to say 19 minus 6. And that will give us a total of 13 is going to be our answer here, the difference of those different habitats. Okay, letter B says, if 3 more grassland animals and 4 more Arctic animals are added to the graph, how many grassland Arctic animals would there be? So if we are adding 3 more to grassland, we've got 5, 10, 14, and we add 3 more, that would give us 17 in our grassland, and we added 14 more to the 4 more to the Arctic, that would give us 4 plus 5 would give us 9. And so then it's asking how many animals would there be total. So then we're going to be adding 17 plus 9. And again, you guys can use any strategy that you'd like here. You want to use vertical method. I'm just going to use mental math right now. So 17 plus 9 would give me 26. So our answer here for letter B would be 26. Okay, letter C says, if 3 animals were removed from each category, how many animals would there be? Well, if we removed 3 from our desert, that would give us a total of 7 minus 3 would give us 4. If we took 3 away from our Arctic here, that would be 5 minus 3 would be 2. And then 3 away from our grassland, we originally had 14, so 3 away from that would be 11. And then it's asking for that total. Okay, I think I typed it here. This should be 3. So then if we add those 3 together, 3 plus 2 plus 11, that gives us a total of 16. So that would be our answer here. Okay, and then last it says write your own comparison question based on the data and answer it. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and do that independently on your own. It's just like the last ones that we've done for the last 2 problem sets and the problem prior to this. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section in our Google Classroom. And let me know if you have any questions.